The only time you'll be okay with someone droning on and on is if they're flying the new DJI Mavic 3 drone. This new drone has been hyped up and it is totally justified. What's up guys, I'm Devin Howard on Instagram as @DevinHoward, and I am back again with another episode of Unbox This. Today, we're unboxing an exciting new DJI product, the Mavic 3 drone. They really outdid themselves with this device. Let's get into it. This drone is for serious aerial photographers and videographers. You'll capture incredible photos and videos with the Hasselblad camera and omnidirectional optical sensoring. It comes complete with 2 camera lenses, giving you an unparalleled look at the world beneath your drone. Guys, I am so excited to get into this. Let's unbox this. Wow, okay. Okay, so first thought, pulling this drone out of the box, it's got some weight to it. It's pretty hefty. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. Spare propellers here for those moments when you accidentally fly your drone into a mountainside and you break something. This is the DJI controller. The quick start guide. Now these cords will help you connect your controller to your phone. No matter what kind of smartphone you have, they have a connection for you. This is a USB to USB-C cord. In this little bag, these are the joysticks. Let's screw these in right now, actually. There we go. Here we have a safety guide and 2 other pamphlets. And this is the AC adapter. Okay, so that's everything that comes in the box. Now let's pull out the propeller arms here. It comes with this case. Wow, you guys, this is a big drone. This is much bigger than others we've unboxed on this channel, and it has a lot of weight to it. It definitely feels like it can withstand a lot. We have some peel moments here, so let's do that. Okay, that was all the peel moments, so satisfying. Now let's clean things up here and get into the details about this new Mavic 3 drone. I'm really excited to talk to you guys about it because it is seriously impressive. Drones these days seem to get smaller and smaller. People are impressed by how portable they are. But if you're after some seriously high quality photos and videos, a little bit bigger might be a whole lot better. It comes in at just under 2 pounds, and like most other drones, it folds into itself, so it does get smaller in size. You guys have already seen how it looks when it's all folded up. So you can easily throw it into your standard photo backpack or case. It's just not as tiny as some of the other drones we've looked at on this channel. The updated battery life will give you up to 46 minutes of fly time, which is 15 more minutes than the Mavic Pro 2 drone. Now, as you would expect, it is durable in its design, so even though you should avoid getting it stuck in trees or running into things, it can probably handle a little bit of roughness. If you're not confident in your abilities to keep your drone out of trouble, the obstacle sensors on the front, back, sides, top, and bottom will help it keep clear of any obstructions. It'll smoothly and seamlessly move around objects without direct manual control, which means you will be less likely to crash. You also have 15-kilometer video transmission range, giving you the freedom to explore the world from your drone. But the most important part about the Mavic 3 drone is the camera system. It'll snap photos at 20 megapixel resolution. You'll also get 5.1K video recording, giving you magnificent detail in your shots, along with 120 frames per second slow motion video and 60 frames per second standard video. The telecamera features 28 times hybrid zoom, so this can help you scout and plan your shots. You just need to activate Explore mode and it'll unlock. The telecamera also lets you zoom in on objects that are far away, so you can record at a distance and not disturb your subject. When you want your drone to come home, the auto return function enables the Mavic 3 to determine the optimal route back to its home point, and it'll get there quickly. The DJI Mavic 3 has successfully surpassed other fixed lens consumer drones. You'll be able to capture artistic, detailed videos and photos without a lot of the limitations you find in other drones available right now. All right, you guys, if you are ready to get a new view of the world, shop the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. In the comment section, let me know what kind of videos you'd like to record with your Mavic 3 drone. I'm Devin Howard, thanks for watching, and we just unboxed this. Bye, guys.